this question, what we do have is Shaman spending 3/10 of his money on a tie for his father. Then he spent 3/14 of the remaining money on a blouse, and he had 550 left. The question asks for the amount that he had at first. Generally, there are two ways of solving this. The first way, which is to use model. Okay. Then the other one is just to list it down. So what we need to understand here is, first we have Shaman that spent 3/10 of his money, which means he grouped his money into 10 groups. And he spent 3 out of the 10 groups on a tie. Alright. So where is this remaining money? This is the remaining. Alright, this is the remaining. What did he do with the remaining? Okay, maybe let me do the listing as well. So the remaining, since you start off with one whole, you spend 3/10 of the money, the remaining money will be 7/10 of the original sum, as what you can see here, 7/10. So of this remaining, if you are able to group the remaining into 14 groups, okay, so now we have 7, alright, so if you are able to group it into 14, 3/14 is being spent on a blouse. So let's make this into 14 since we have 7 by cutting each of the 7 units into 2 equal parts. Now the remaining we will have 14 equal parts. So once we can get it 14, he spent 3 out of 14 on a blouse. Okay, so what we can list here will be, to find the blouse, this is 3/14 of the remainder. This is the remainder, so it's 3/14 of this remainder, which is 320. As you can see, the 320, the total number of units is 20. 3 out of the 20 is being spent on the blouse. So where's the amount of money left? Using a model will be very easy to identify that. That will be this part here, where you will have, let's see, you have 14, 11. So how about listing? To find that, since you group the remainder into 14 groups, you spend 3 groups, what you have left is 11/14 of the remainder, which is 11 out of 20. So exactly what we have there. And the other piece of information that we know is this will be 550. Alright, so with that, the common the steps after will be the same. We know that 11/20 of the money is 550. We can find 1/20 of the money, which is 550 divided by 11. You'll get 50. Then you can find the entire sum of money, which is 50 times 20. You will get 1,000. So how much money he had at first will be $1,000.